Okay, we are now live. I'm doing something a bit simpler of a stream. So it is the 15th of March. So it's the middle of March right now. Pretty nice weather. I went for a 8 km walk today. And I will be working on the debug. I'm going to be making some improvements. I'll probably just move the text around and make it a font or a color that's a bit less ugly. So of course we're gonna enable this. Okay, so I need to get the position on the screen. I should turn off the grid so I can actually see what I'm doing a bit better. So this dotted line right here, as long as it's within this area, it's just sew up. So, say... the mouse is at 370.55. Now, where is the debug text? Okay, it's right here. Okay, so I'm already using Arial. I was using hot pink because, you know, in most cases, hot pink is going to show up on nearly anything. But instead, we'll go with white. We're going to be doing some experimentation, seeing if setting the font size will make it look better. I don't think changing it to every tick would incur much of a performance hit. I might need to debug the debug, as there's a problem with it popping up. Like there's a slight delay when you press the debug key. So we're gonna take some precautions. We're gonna get rid of this because I'll be working on the new command system. Like, you know, like commands you can enter like in Minecraft, something like that. Okay, so I want to see if setting it to smaller text will make it look better. Okay, it does look better. But we need to set it a bit further back, is the problem. So, 295 or something? Okay, so 295 is good. Maybe set a bit higher, like 60 or something. See how that looks. or let's set 75. That's quite a bit higher than what we have right now. I forgot to press the return key so I could bring it back to the Construct 2 screen. And now we're gonna launch it again in game. Okay, that is looking pretty good. It is pretty rudimentary right now. Like the RAM and the CPU might not be fully accurate. I want to move it back a bit further because the speed stat changes pretty often. $250 should be good. Okay. That's not bad looking. I'm gonna do a small test to check if our frame rate is decent. Okay, a sign is murdering the frame rate. I don't know what it is. Because it should be at least like 60. It's really weird. See? So there's no AI in this room. Let me see if changing rooms causes it to drop. Okay, that's a weird little drop right there. I don't know why it would do that. See, even with the presence of the pathfinding enemies, we don't see a frame rate drop. So, the frame rate looks good so far. Yeah, that's a weird little dip right there. It happened in this room. I don't know why it happened. I can't figure out a good enough reason for it. See? We get a performance drop right there. I'm gonna have to investigate that later. Yeah, so we're seeing little lag spikes here and there. Which is a bit weird. That's an anomaly that I have to figure out. But performance seems pretty good. Except for when you transition between areas, I might need to improve that. I'm trying to think, would creating a variable to store the command, would that be necessary? Oh right, we just need one more thing. So where is the... Okay, so it's start key. Gamekit variable start key. So in theory, work. I'll figure out a better way to implement commands in a less case-sensitive way, but for now this will work. Okay. So we just need to create the console command. Right, we are forgetting one vital thing. So we need to make sure well, debug mode is actually enabled. Okay, so the final step here is to implement it. So we are going to go into main. Right, I forgot something. 2320. Oh, right. Duh. Well, let's hope everything works. Okay. Now let's see if it actually works. Oh, yes! We have to fix one small bug. No clip off. Oh, that's nice. Yes! So we implemented a basic rudimentary console command. That was really cool. We just need to fix one bug. Pause is equal to 0. I think that should fix it. Okay, so we created the pause variable. That should fix it. No clip on. Okay, so... Okay, so the other intro does that too. You know what? Actually, we are going to add one more. Specifically, have it check if it's a temporary fix. Okay, so I applied a fix. We'll see if that fixes it. And we broke it. Oh. Right. So we're gonna try that again. And hopefully not break moving. Okay, yeah. Please don't trigger it. Alright. Perfect. Okay, so it mostly works. That's good. Okay, there's the kill command implemented. What else can we implement? That'll be real easy. We can implement, the stuff for, you know, we'll try implementing the give command in a moment. I want to implement this one. Not restore. Gamekit. Get max HP. I'm gonna need to open up. I can't remember the kit variable names. So I'm gonna take a quick look at this. Is it current magic and max magic? Okay. That's what I thought it was. Ooh, I like this song. What else can we implement? So we implemented that one. So we'll just implement give as the last thing. Give map. So that'd be lowercase. If I change my mind, I can, you know, fix that. Dungeon1.bigkey. Okay, I actually like that format better. It treats it like a sub-property. Compass. Let me double check save data. Yeah, don't mind that. That's the dungeon save data. Okay. So that's what I think it was. Item. I know it's kind of weird, but I'd rather treat the dungeon items as a sub-item. Actually, let's change that up real quick. Give item dungeon window. Okay, there we go. Now we have a format that's standardized. And the last one being... Let me double check. Okay, yeah. I don't know why it's lamp, honestly. That's weird. Or why it's lamp specifically. I mean, I should change it to lamp, because that's shorter. Alright. Nice. Give item Okay, so it's broken. Give item dungeon 1 map. It's mostly implement. I'll figure that out later. I just want to see if the give command works. Okay, yeah, it does. Fantastic. So we made a rudimentary command system. That is awesome. I'm a bit proud of that. It's also one of the easier things I want to implement compared to something like a weather or an overhauled inventory system. But it's a good utility to have. Well, this has been a short little stream. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to be awesome and have a nice day. This is the end of the stream. Good day.